Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled you're joining me today for another important health discussion. Before we dive into today's life-changing topic, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below telling me where you're watching from. I absolutely love connecting with viewers from around the globe. Today, I'm going to reveal something that could transform your leg health forever. We're talking about a hidden vitamin that literally acts like a natural cleanser for blocked veins in your legs. If you've been struggling with heavy, tired legs, varicose veins, or that uncomfortable feeling of poor circulation, this video could be the answer you've been searching for. Let me tell you about the silent crisis happening in your legs. Did you know that over 40 million Americans suffer from some form of venous insufficiency? That's when the veins in your legs struggle to pump blood back up to your heart efficiently. When this happens, blood begins to pool and stagnate in your legs, creating a cascade of problems that go far beyond just appearance. This stagnant blood doesn't just sit there harmlessly. It creates pressure against vein walls, causing them to stretch and weaken. Over time, this leads to those twisted, enlarged veins we call varicose veins. But the problem runs much deeper than what you can see on the surface. When blood flow is compromised, your leg tissues don't receive the oxygen and nutrients they desperately need. This is why many people experience that heavy, aching sensation in their legs, especially after standing or sitting for long periods. Your legs are literally crying out for better circulation. Before we proceed further, I would like to know if this video resonates with you. Type 1 in the comments below. If not, type 0. Now, let's talk about the warning signs your veins are crying for help. Before I reveal this incredible vitamin, let's talk about the warning signs that your leg veins are blocked or struggling. If you recognize any of these symptoms, pay close attention because this information could change your life. Sign number 1, the afternoon leg fatigue. Do your legs feel progressively heavier as the day goes on? This isn't normal aging, it's a clear sign that blood is pooling in your legs instead of flowing efficiently back to your heart. Sign number 2, night leg restlessness. That uncomfortable feeling where you can't find a position that feels right, constantly moving your legs trying to get comfortable. This happens because stagnant blood in your veins creates pressure and discomfort that's especially noticeable when you're trying to rest. Sign number 3, morning leg stiffness. Waking up with legs that feel stiff, heavy, or swollen indicates that blood has been pooling in your legs overnight instead of circulating properly. Sign number 4, visible vein changes. Spider veins, varicose veins, or darkening skin around your ankles are visible signs that your venous system is under stress and struggling to function properly. Sign number 5, leg cramps during activity. Experiencing cramping or pain in your calves when walking that forces you to stop and rest is a serious warning sign that your leg muscles aren't receiving adequate oxygen-rich blood. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, the vitamin I'm about to reveal could be exactly what your legs need to start healing and functioning properly again. So what is the hidden vitamin? It's vitamin D3, also known as cholecalciferol. The hidden vitamin that can transform your leg vein health is vitamin D3, also known as cholecalciferol. Now, you might think of vitamin D as just the bone vitamin, but recent research has revealed its incredible power to clean and rejuvenate your vascular system, especially the veins in your legs. Here's what makes vitamin D3 so special for your leg veins. This vitamin acts like a master regulator for your entire vascular system. It literally helps reprogram how your blood vessels function, making them stronger, more flexible, and more efficient at moving blood back to your heart. Let me explain exactly how vitamin D3 cleans your leg veins. Mechanism number 1, Endothelial repair. Vitamin D3 directly repairs and strengthens the inner lining of your blood vessels called the endothelium. When this lining is healthy, it produces nitric oxide, a powerful molecule that keeps your veins flexible and helps blood flow smoothly. Without adequate vitamin D3, this lining becomes damaged and inflamed, leading to poor circulation and vein problems. Mechanism number 2, inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation in your vein walls is one of the primary causes of venous insufficiency. Vitamin D3 acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, reducing the inflammatory markers that damage vein walls and impair circulation. When inflammation decreases, your veins can begin to heal and function properly again. Mechanism number 3, smooth muscle function. The walls of your veins contain smooth muscle that helps push blood back to your heart. Vitamin D3 ensures these muscles contract efficiently and rhythmically, essentially giving your veins the strength they need to overcome gravity and pump blood upward from your legs. Mechanism number 4, calcium regulation. Here's something most people don't know. Calcium deposits in vein walls can make them stiff and less efficient. Vitamin D3 regulates calcium metabolism, ensuring calcium goes where it should, your bones, and doesn't accumulate in your vein walls where it causes stiffness and blockages. Now, I want to share the shocking truth about vitamin D deficiency. Here's what's truly alarming. Over 75% of adults have insufficient vitamin D levels, and this deficiency is directly linked to poor circulation and vein problems. Most people living in northern climates, working indoors, or over age 50 are severely deficient without even knowing it. When you're vitamin D deficient, your vein walls become weak and inflamed. The smooth muscle in your veins can't contract properly. Your body produces more inflammatory substances that damage blood vessels. This creates a perfect storm for poor circulation, varicose veins, and all those uncomfortable symptoms in your legs. The tragedy is that many people suffer with leg circulation problems for years, trying various treatments when the solution might be as simple as addressing their vitamin D deficiency. Let me show you the natural ways to boost your vitamin D3. Method number 1, strategic sun exposure. The most natural way to boost vitamin D3 is through sunlight exposure. Your skin produces vitamin D3 when exposed to UVB rays from the sun. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight on your arms and legs during peak hours, typically between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. However, be careful not to burn. This defeats the purpose and can cause skin damage. Method number 2, vitamin D-rich foods. While it's difficult to get enough vitamin D from food alone, certain foods can contribute to your levels. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources. Egg yolks from pastured chickens contain more vitamin D than conventional eggs. Mushrooms, especially UV-exposed varieties, also provide vitamin D. Method number 3, strategic supplementation. For most people, especially those with existing circulation problems, supplementation is necessary to achieve optimal levels quickly. Most adults need between 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, but this varies based on your current levels, body weight, and geographic location. Here's the key. Not all vitamin D supplements are created equal. Choose vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, over vitamin D2, ergocalciferol, because D3 is more effectively utilized by your body. Look for supplements that include vitamin K2, which works synergistically with D3 to ensure proper calcium utilization. Now let me explain the vitamin D and circulation connection. Let me explain exactly how optimizing your vitamin D3 levels transforms your leg circulation. Within just a few weeks of achieving optimal vitamin D levels, your body begins a remarkable healing process. First, the inflammation in your vein walls starts to subside. This allows the veins to become more flexible and responsive. Second, the endothelial lining begins to repair itself, producing more nitric oxide and improving blood flow. Third, the smooth muscle in your vein walls becomes stronger and more coordinated, helping push blood back to your heart more efficiently. Many of my patients report noticeable improvements in their leg symptoms within 4 to 6 weeks of optimizing their vitamin D levels. The heavy, tired feeling begins to lift. Nighttime leg restlessness improves. Even existing varicose veins often become less prominent as circulation improves. There are some important considerations and safety points you need to know. While vitamin D3 is generally very safe, there are some important considerations. If you're taking blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before starting high-dose vitamin D supplementation. The improved circulation from optimal vitamin D levels might require medication adjustments. Also, it's crucial to have your vitamin D blood levels tested before starting supplementation and again after 2 to 3 months to ensure you're achieving optimal levels without going too high. The ideal range for optimal vascular health is between 50 to 80 nanograms per milliliter. Some people may experience mild digestive upset when first starting vitamin D3 supplements. Taking them with a meal containing healthy fats improves absorption and reduces any stomach discomfort. Let me share the complete leg health protocol with you. While vitamin D3 is the star of today's discussion, it works best as part of a comprehensive approach to leg vein health. Combine your vitamin D3 optimization with regular movement. Even simple calf raises throughout the day can dramatically improve circulation. Elevate your legs for 15 to 20 minutes daily to help drain pooled blood. Stay hydrated to keep your blood flowing smoothly. And consider wearing compression stockings during long periods of standing or sitting to support your veins while they heal. Here are the real results you can expect. When you consistently maintain optimal vitamin D3 levels, here's what you can realistically expect for your leg vein health. Within the first month, you'll likely notice less leg fatigue and heaviness, especially in the afternoon and evening. Your sleep may improve as nighttime leg restlessness decreases. By month 2, you should see visible improvements in any swelling and notice that your legs feel lighter throughout the day. Existing varicose veins may become less prominent as circulation improves. After 3 months of optimal vitamin D3 levels, most people experience significant improvements in overall leg comfort and circulation. While severe varicose veins may not completely disappear, the underlying circulation problems that cause them are being addressed. Now let me give you your action plan. Here's your step-by-step action plan to harness the power of vitamin D3 for your leg vein health. First, get your current vitamin D blood level tested. You can't optimize what you don't measure. Second, start with 2,000 to 4,000 international units of high-quality vitamin D3 daily, preferably with K2. Third, incorporate 15 to 20 minutes of daily sunlight when possible. Fourth, retest your levels after 8 to 12 weeks and adjust your dosage accordingly. Remember, consistency is key. Vitamin D3 isn't a quick fix. It's a fundamental nutrient that your vascular system needs to function properly. The improvements build over time as your body heals and repairs itself. In conclusion, let me summarize everything for you. There you have it, my friends, the hidden vitamin that can transform your leg vein health naturally. Vitamin D3 isn't just another supplement recommendation. It's a scientifically backed approach to addressing the root cause of many circulation problems. By optimizing your vitamin D3 levels, you're giving your body the tools it needs to repair damaged vein walls, reduce inflammation, and restore proper circulation to your legs. It's a simple, natural solution that addresses the problem at its source rather than just masking symptoms. If you're experiencing any of the warning signs we discussed today, don't wait. Start taking action to optimize your vitamin D3 levels and give your legs the support they need to heal and function properly. Thank you so much for watching this important video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from learning about this hidden vitamin. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more science-based health solutions specifically designed for adults over 50. I'd love to hear about your experience with circulation issues and whether you've had your vitamin D levels tested. Your comments help build our community and might help someone else going through similar challenges. Remember, taking control of your vascular health today can prevent serious complications tomorrow. Until next time, wishing you strong circulation and healthy legs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other videos on natural approaches to common health issues affecting adults over 50. I upload new, research-backed content every week, dedicated to helping you live your healthiest, most vibrant life. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update, and I'll see you in the next video.